Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm a business developer for ITSCREDIT. And this is my colleague Cristóbal, our platform architect. So ITSCREDIT owns a credit platform focused on delivering the best credit solutions for your financial institution, saving time and money by having a reduced time to market and a short time implementation. Our products are also omni-channel based, covering all credit life cycle, with open API for easy integrations and also support for PSD2. So what we are going to show you here today is how a partner will allow you to increase the number of your customers by adding a new payment method with credit. This is going to allow customers to have access to instant credit online while they are shopping, traveling, and so on. Can you please go ahead, Cristóbal?
Thank you, Sarah. Let's start this demo. So we have these two fictional companies. One is called Hyperloans, and another one that is called Touring. Touring sells vacations. And with the partnership, they had the power to get a new payment method, as Sarah told you. So I'm going to book my trip. I'm going to configure it. And now, as you can see, you have Pay with Credit. And what is Pay with Credit? Well, let me show you. But first of all, what happens here? I've got a credit calculator where I can fine-tune the credit for my budgets. Let me try to get an installment of $500, and it's around 24 months. OK, I can afford that. Now, what I have to do, I've got to apply to this loan. And here it is. Now, to apply to this loan, I have to make a new account into Hyperloans. So I can do it in two ways, either using my bank credentials thanks to the wonders of PSD2 and open banking, or I can upload my documents and using QIC that Hyperloans implements, do the same verification. I'm going for my bank. So I put my credentials, and I'm signing in. Thanks to PSD2, I have to allow my bank to share some of my information to Hyperloan. In order to Hyperloan to get me the best credit score, I'm going to give access to all of this. And here it is. Wow. Hyperloan looked at my data and said, Chris is a nice guy, and he has a loan ready for him. So I've got a new loan and paid for my vacation. But let's take a bit to fully understand what happened. I was on a mobile commerce app, normal. But this mobile app had a new payment method called Pay with Credit. So I chose it. Then I was presented with a loan calculator, so I could adjust the loan to my budget. Next step, I enrolled into a new account into Hyperloans. It was as easy as you saw, thanks to PSD2. And in the next step, I had my loan authorized, and the money was paid to Touring. It's as easy as it can be.
That's right. And all of that was possible because the financial institution behind this app is using our Flow Credit suite.
Sarah, can you show us more advantage of our Flow Credit suite for partners?
Of course. So another benefit of our Flow Credit suite is the tools that we provide to your partner to obtain the best revenue while using our suite. This is going to allow them to have an overall view of their sales while using credit as a payment method. As you can see, they can have access to their total revenues, the number of simulations, the amount of credits, and this is going to be relevant for their business model. As a bank, you want to be present in as many places as possible selling your product, but as your partner, they also want to see that your platform is being profitable for them, and it's making the difference in their revenues.
And now there's another thing I want to show you. Our platform has another part that is called a self-service application. Hyperloans chose to implement it. I'm going to open it. And here it is. Well, this is my dashboard of my situation with Hyperloans. I can see that my recently contracted loan is already here, vacations. I have a car loan ongoing, and I have a button so I can ask for a new loan. I'm going to show you the details of my car loan. Well, This screen is self-explanatory. You can see everything about your current loan. But there are two options on top that are new: extend and pay. I'm going to walk you through. Extend. Imagine that your budget changes over the months, over the years. And now the $206 I pay for my car each month, it's kind of too much. I can just adjust my loan to get a term of 72 months. Right now, I have a simulation that says that my new installment is now $159. That's $50 less for me to pay each month. And if this is satisfactory for me, I just tap on Apply Extension, and the platform will see if I'm worthy and give me that extension. How about pay? Pay, well, it's even simpler to explain. Whenever I have a load of money to spare, I can pay in advance my loan. Or if I believe everything goes right today and we win Best of Show, I know my boss is going to give me a big bonus, so I'm going to pay my car fully. These are the innovations we are building to the platforms. They are not only these ones, but all the innovations your models can bring. But the message here is that your customer is its own loan manager. It doesn't have to call anyone to renegotiate their loan, get a new one, because you already know your customer. Sarah?
That's right. So these are some of the things that you can accomplish by using our Flow Credit Suite. Payments in real time, a partners portal for a total overview, an open API for easy integration, and also a self-service app for their customers to manage their own loans. Thank you very much for being present with us, and please come see us at our booth.